Hello and welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OnceHub support team. In this video, I will show you one of the most common reasons why your guest may not receive a Zoom meeting link in their booking confirmation email, even though your Zoom account is connected to OnceHub. Imagine one of your clients contacts you after scheduling a meeting and says, I booked a Zoom meeting, but I didn't receive a Zoom link. Where do I join? You have already confirmed that your Zoom account is successfully connected to OnceHub by clicking on the profile icon, going to user integrations and clicking on Zoom. You have confirmed that Zoom is connected here without any errors. So the next step is to verify that your booking page is actually configured to use Zoom as the meeting location. Having Zoom connected to your OneSub profile alone is not enough. All the relevant booking page must also be configured to use Zoom as its conferencing location. And here's how to check. Click on the booking pages from the left hand sidebar. Then, from the list of the booking pages that you have in your OneSub account, select the booking page that you want to configure to use Zoom for the locations. Next, click on conferencing location in the left. Here you see that this booking page is currently configured to not use any location, which means your client will not receive any location when they schedule a meeting. To resolve this, click on the first option that says virtual meeting. Scroll to the bottom and select Zoom for the video conferencing and click save at the bottom. Please note if any other location is selected, such as a phone call, in-person meeting, or any other video conferencing provider, the Zoom meeting links will not be generated for the bookings made through that booking page. Going forward, whenever a guest schedules a meeting through this booking page, OneSub will automatically create a Zoom meeting link and include the Zoom link in the booking confirmation emails and the calendar invitations according to your notification settings. And that's it. If Zoom is connected to your OneSub account but your guests aren't receiving Zoom meeting links, checking the conferencing location setting on your booking page is one of the first things you should verify. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next OneSub tutorial.